Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear search histories on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. Now doing this will make your search history clear as well as remove all the recent activities of yours. So to do this, what you need to do is just go to your search bar and type settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Then from here, just find search and open up search. Then from here, scroll all the way down. And under history, you'll find clear device search history. Just click on this and just give it few time. It's gonna delete all the search histories. And to stop Windows from tracking your searches, you can turn this off. Just above the clear search history, just turn this off. Then close this, then just go ahead and restart your device. And basically that is how to clear search history on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.